Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll be exploring some of the most uplifting quotes from the late Earl Nightingale, one of the most influential authors, speakers and radio commentators of the 20th century. Let's begin with one of his most famous quotes: "We become what we think about." This is an inspiring quote that encourages us to be positive and think positively. It reminds us that our thoughts and attitudes shape our reality. Another great quote from Earl Nightingale is, "Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal." This motivates us to strive for our goals and dreams and reminds us that success does not happen overnight. A third quote from Earl Nightingale is, "You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you." This is a very empowering quote that encourages us to tap into our inner strength and perseverance. Let's move on to a fourth quote. "Lack of direction, not lack of time, is the problem." We all have 24-hour days. This is a great reminder to focus on what's important and to dedicate time and energy to our goals. Finally, the last quote we'll be exploring is, "Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out." This is a very inspiring quote that encourages us to keep going even if our progress is slow. It reminds us that progress comes from consistently taking little steps forward. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover some of Earl Nightingale's most uplifting quotes. We hope you take away some inspiration and motivation to continue on your own journey of success.